STC Global Impex Canada Limited, the owner of the STC Films brand, is dedicated to producing high-quality films for automotive, architectural, and marine use, using the latest materials and technology. The manufacturing process for their PET-based sun control film begins with the careful selection of raw materials, including PET granules containing the required color pigments and a unique formulation of chemicals necessary for solar heat and UV rejection. The PET granules are deposited into the latest advanced technology machines, where they undergo a highly precise homogenization process at a low melting temperature to ensure optimal uniformity. The extruder, which can have 3, 5, or 7 points depending on the desired finished product, produces a liquid film that is extruded one layer on top of the other at a finely controlled temperature and thickness, resulting in a multi-layer one-ply film. The extruded film is then rapidly cooled and moved forward for stretching, achieving the final thickness required for maximum sun control performance. This process delivers a base film product that is unmatched in the industry, offering superior clarity, uniformity, and durability. At STC Global Impex Canada Limited, the use of the latest advanced technology machines ensures that the manufacturing process is precise and efficient, and that the end product meets the highest quality standards. This commitment to innovation and quality makes STC Films the preferred choice for customers worldwide for their sun control needs. With their motto, "The film that cares for you like no other," STC Films truly sets the standard for sun control films.